Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to monetize your YouTube channel. So let's dive in. The first step you're going to do is go to your YouTube. When you go to your YouTube, the second step
Let me
is
guess.
come to
This isn't the first time.
click on your and this is your field channel. Click on field channel, and the next step is click on manage videos. And the next step, you can say that you've click on manage video, is click on videos. And this is it. So guys, say is another thing here is that for you to be able to monetize your YouTube video, you have to meet inquiries of YouTube. Are you eligible to monetize your YouTube? And the step for you to be able to monetize your YouTube is first must have 1,000 subscribers. Two, you must have a solid 4,000 like 4,000 few watch hours, public watch hours, and there are some certain views that you have to have before you will be able to monetize your YouTube. So if you look at my channel here now, and this is it, you can see I have just only one video here, and which is that I am not eligible to monetize my YouTube. So if you wanted to know you're eligible to monetize your YouTube, if you look at this, the next thing, this like this button beside this or analytics, you can see upload videos to see channel analytics. So once I started uploading my videos, I'll be able to see my channel analytics, and that is the step for monetizing my YouTube. So if you want to monetize your YouTube, guys, please, you have to continue uploading video. You have to continue uploading video, uploading video, and try to get subscriber. And that is when you now start and see if you'll be able to monetize your YouTube channel. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share. I love you guys.